Today is birth appearance day of Srimati Radharani, Radhashtami. 15 days after Krishna's birth, Radharani appeared. So our today prayer to Radharani, we pray to Radharani because she is the pleasure potency of Krishna. Krishna means all attractive, but Radharani is so great that she attracts Krishna. Krishna is all attractive and she is attractive of Krishna. So what is the position of Srimati Radharani? We should try to understand this day and offer our obeisances to Radharani. 𝗕𝗕𝗗𝗵𝗧 𝗪𝗵𝗆𝗀 𝗕𝗕𝗗𝗵𝗧 𝗪𝗵𝗆 𝗔𝗂𝗪𝗔 हरिप्रिय. Our business is, Radharani, you are so dear to Krishna. You are the daughter of King Vrishabhanu, and you are so dear to Krishna. So we offer our respectful obeisances unto you. Radharani is very priya, very dear to Krishna. So if we approach Krishna through Radharani, through the mercy of Radharani, then it becomes very easy. If Radharani recommends that this devotee is very nice, then Krishna immediately accepts, however fool I may be. Because it is recommended by Radharani, Krishna accepts. Therefore in Vrindavan, you will find all the devotees, they are chanting more Radharani's name than Krishna. Wherever you will go, you will find the devotees and addressing Jai Radhe. You will find still in Vrindavan. They are glorifying Radharani. They are more interested worshipping Radharani. Because however fallen I may be, if somehow or other I can please Radharani, then it is very easy for me to understand Krishna.